Hey guys, I'm Aaron Quine from Quine Racing. Welcome to the DEI Garage. Today we give you the solution for an extreme heat barrier, but finally with a great black finish. Take for instance your custom street rod. It's perfect until you open the hood and that shiny metal heat barrier on the firewall is staring you in the face. Can't get rid of it because you'll burn up inside. You still need the heat protection, but want it to blend in more and create a custom look. That is the reason for the all-new black floor and tunnel shield. DEI's Black Floor and Tunnel Shield is one of the best heat barriers on the market. It is used in all kinds of applications like firewalls, trans tunnels, and above exhaust. Plus in all kinds of vehicles, race cars, street rods, ATVs, and trucks, you name it. It features a 10 mil aluminum skin bonded to a layer of glass fiber to reflect and insulate against higher temps. We then developed a black surface with a high temp polymer and resins to coat the aluminum and create a durable black finish that resists scratches and wear. Black Floor and Tunnel Shield trims easily with tin snips or heavy-duty scissors and installs with a really aggressive adhesive backing. Just peel off the liner and press in place. This really is a great product to block heat and get the look you want. It comes in multiple size sheets for your application. Let us know if you have any questions or comments about DEI's Black Floor and Tunnel Shield. And for more information on all DEI products, check out our website, designengineering.com. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product and installation videos, and follow us on all of our social media pages. So until next time, I'm Aaron, and remember to stay cool and comfortable with DEI heat and sound control products.